Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Rizky Tiar. I am from the Political Science Study Program. Here I will explain about the institution within the judiciary and the judiciary function. Institution within the judiciary. Judicial institution are bodies or organization whose job is to deal with problem or violations that are not in accordance with the applicable law in a state of law like Indonesia. The judiciary has a role to implement and enforce law and justice. There are several judicial institutions in Indonesia, namely as follows. 1. Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is the highest judicial institution in terms of Indonesia, independence and all counts Indonesia. The main role of the Supreme Court is to carry out the supervision of all courts action toward Indonesia, as well as ensuring that the law is carried out properly. 2. Constitutional Court. The role of the Constitutional Court is to give the question on the opinion of the DPR regarding alleged violation of the law in the forms of treason against the state, corruption, bribery, of other disgraceful acts committed by the President or Vice President. 3. Judicial Commission. The Judicial Commission is one of the judicial institutions in Indonesia. During the safeguard of the Constitution, which has an independent character. In practice, the Judicial Commission is free from the influence of other power. 4. District Court. The District Court has the role of examining and deciding cases at the first level, from criminal to civil case. The position of the District Court is in the district of city capital. 5. High Court. The judiciary in the High Court is a judicial institution that has a position in the provincial capital. The High Court has the role of examining cases that have been decided by the District Court. 6. Religious Court. The Religious Court is a court institution that exists in each district. The role of the Religious Court is to examine, litigate, and resolve several cases such as marriage, inheritance, child custody, and endowments. 7. State Administrative Court Introduction. The State Administrative Court Introduction is a judicial institution that implements the law in accordance with applicable laws. Generally, state administrative court institutions act as parties to resolve disputes at the first level. 8. State Administrative Court Institution. The State Administrative court Indonesia has almost the same roles as the state administrative court in Indonesia. However, what distinguishes it is that the state administrative court has a role in examining the killing administrative disputes at the appellate or provincial level. The judiciary foundation. 1. Preparing policy formulation. The judiciary has a function as an institution that prepares policy formulation, starting from the formulation of policy in the fields of technical personnel development to the institution and administration of the judiciary itself. 2. Technical guidance and evolution. In order for it to run smoothly, the judiciary has a function as a technical supervisor and carries out a evaluation process. In this case, the will provide special guidance regarding the text that must be carried out and the procedure. 3. Carry out the administration of the Directorial General. The judiciary also has a function to carry on the administration of the Directorate General, structuring administration, case administration, case settlement process to court service administration. Example of judicial institution image. This is an example of one of judiciary in my city. The judicial institution is the district courts. Example of judicial institution image. And this is an example of one of judiciary in my city. The judicial institution is the religious courts. That's the presentation that I can deliver. If there is a words, apologize for the amount. That's all from me, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Dita Putri Marlia. I'm from Political Science Study Program. I will explain about the law in Indonesia and the justice system in the world. Law in Indonesia. Law is rule that cannot be separated from our daily life, where every aspect of our life is under the law. Apart from protecting us from abuse of power, law is also used to uphold justice. Types of law in Indonesia. 1. Public law. The definition of public law is the legal regulation that regulates the legal relationship between citizens and the state which concurs the public interest. Public law is the law that governs society. Examples of public law. 1. Constitutional law. 2. State administrative law. 3. Criminal law. 2. Private law. Private law is a relationship that regulates relationship between humans, between one person and other with an emphasis and individual interest. Example of private law. 1. Civil law. 2. Commercial law. Legal classification in Indonesia. 1. By nature. 2. Force and regulate. 2. Based on foundation. Based on function, legal, consent, social justice, protection. 3. Based on content, public law regulating public interest, and public law regulating individual interests. 4. Based on the form, written law and unwritten law. The justice system in the world. The judicial system in a country is each influenced by the legal system adopted by the country. Example of the Indonesia state justice system. Generally courts is district courts, religious courts, state administrative courts, military courts. Religious courts is marriage. State administrative law is regional head election. Example of the Malaysia state justice system. The judicial system in Malaysia is divided into two parts. One that hears cases related to civil law and other selection hears cases related to Islamic law through the Sharia courts. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.